Welcome to Agentic Intelligent Operations for Live Events, autonomous AI agents for automated broadcast and streaming operations. My name is Manuel Gonzalez, and I am a Principal Specialist Solutions Architect in AWS for media and entertainment games and sports. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how specialized AI agents can monitor, diagnose, and help resolve issues across your entire streaming pipeline, from contribution to the viewer's screen. Not long ago, media workflows were relatively simple. Content came from a studio or a live truck. Signals went into a control room, got encoded, sent to transmission, and out to viewers watching linear TV. If there was a problem, the signal path was well known and easy to trace. That world has evolved into something far more complex. Multiple content sources, multiple transcoding vendors, multiple CDNs, smart TVs, mobile devices, web browsers, each with different players and applications. The challenge isn't accessing the data, there are logs, alarms, and AP is everywhere. The real challenge is assembling and analyzing all these scattered signals quickly enough to act, before there's widespread audience impact. What you're about to see is an AI-powered operations framework that does exactly that. Specialized agents working together across every layer of the pipeline: contribution, encoding, distribution, and playback, coordinated by an intelligent orchestrator we call El Capitan. Here's our operations interface, the troubleshooting control plane. You can see operational alarms, real-time quality gauges from MOOCs, and the media pipeline visualization, showing our AWS services from Media Connect through CloudFront. We have a live channel running, and the system has detected a critical issue. Source A has disconnected on our contribution flow from the remote venue. Automatically dispatched the contribution agent to investigate. It queried Media Connect for flow health, checked source status, and analyzed the connectivity path. You can see the agent's work right here. Over 57,000 tokens processed, 2 reasoning cycles, completed in few seconds. Root cause identified. Source A disconnected due to a connectivity interruption from the remote venue. The agent also performed SRT protocol analysis, checking bitrate stability, latency variation, and FEC retransmission rates. The analysis shows the issue wasn't gradual degradation, it was a sudden connectivity loss. That's important because it changes the remediation approach. A remediation plan is ready, switch to source B, and monitor stability. The plan is waiting for human approval. 1 click to approve, speed of automation, safety of human oversight. Now here's where it gets really powerful. That contribution issue has cascaded downstream. Viewers are experiencing buffering. We ask El Capitan for a full chain analysis. El Capitan dispatches all agents simultaneously. The contribution agent confirms the switch to source B completed. The processing agent verifies media live recovered. It even retrieved thumbnails and checked them for visual quality issues like macro blocks or frozen frames. The distribution agent, using parallel sub-agents querying hydraulics and MOX at the same time, found CDN error rates spiked in one region and viewer quality scores dropped. El Capitan synthesizes everything into one coherent story. The source disconnection caused a contribution gap, which led to null frames during encoder failover, stale manifests on the CDN, and buffering for thousands of viewers. One root cause traced across the entire chain in under 30 seconds. And you can watch the recovery in real time on the quality gauges. Here's how it all works under the hood. Data flows from the video player through 3 parallel analytics paths: Hydraulics for long-term CDN log analytics, InfluxDB for real-time CMCD metrics, and Apache Flink for anomaly detection. When anomalies are detected, they automatically trigger agent investigations. At the center is Amazon Bedrock Agent Core Runtime, with the AWS Strands SD key. El Capitan coordinates specialized agents, the Media Connect agent for contribution health and source switching, the Media Live agent for encoding and visual quality verification, and 3 observability sub-agents querying Hydraulics, MUX, and Athena in parallel. We've expanded the scope to include contribution with Media Connect and Media Connect router tools, completing the full chain from camera to viewer. Every agent cycle, model invocation, and tool call is automatically instrumented as OpenTelemetry traces through the Strands SDK, giving you full observability not just into your media pipeline, but into the AI itself. AWS Step Functions orchestrates remediation with human approval gates. The AI plans, you approve. Agentic Intelligent Operations delivers faster root cause identification, full chain observability from contribution to distribution, and mean time to resolution measured in minutes, not hours. Built on Amazon Bedrock Agent Core, AWS Strands SDK, with partner integrations from Mux and Hydralyx. Today is a new way of operating, where AI agents reduce the stress of live troubleshooting, empower engineers with instant insights, and help teams move from reactive firefighting to proactive intelligence. The complexity of media workflows will only grow, but with agentic operations, your team will always have the full picture.